Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go premium on the FlipClock application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on skip video, tap on the X button, and then you should go to your home page and click on the settings option in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the Pro Features section and click on Premium version. Here you can see all of the advantages of purchasing the premium version, such as removing ads permanently, unlocking all skins, timer, customizing the widget, transparent widget, all features to be added in future releases. So here you can find the offer. If you want to purchase it, tap on it, and then you will be able to unlock several features that are only available to premium users. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.